What's good, y'all, man? Right now, man, I'm at the exhaust shop, man. We finna see what's going on. Finna get this exhaust work done, man. Car up in the air. Finna show y'all in a second. Man, they got some dope cars here, man. Got a Plymouth right here. I was a little late, man, so I missed the Q50. Not sure what this is, man. Some of y'all Benz boys might know something about that. Yeah. They got a Mustang over there too. And then our car is over here. Go ahead. Quiet. Oh shit. Bay in that mug. Bay whipping that mug. Real driver.